Hello everyone, this is a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Customer complains it has a howling noise while driving down the road. I personally already drove the vehicle. I believe it's the rear wheel bearing, but also I can also hear a little bit on the front, so it's kind of confusing. We're also going to check the front ones. I believe the front ones also are making noise. So it's a hard call right now. It's hard to tell the customer it's either your rear ones or your front ones. Upon lifting the vehicle and I grab the bottom and also the top. When I push on the top to the inside, I pull gently. On the bottom side, I pull the tire, and vice versa. I push in and I pull on the top. And this tire, just with one hand, I can feel a play on the. You won't be able to see it on the camera, but I can feel a play on the wheel bearing. Right, we're here on the back, and be very careful when you're trying to diagnose a noise, especially if it sounds like a howling noise or you think it's your wheel bearing. I checked both of the wheel bearings in the back, just doing the same procedure. And grab the top and pull on the bottom and pull and push on the top. But this one, the back one, doesn't feel any movement at all. Also turn the tire. I don't hear a noticeable wheel bearing noise. No, I don't think it is a wheel bearing. What I think it is the tire. Look at this tire while I turn it. Look at this side, because sunlight, and that's what you're gonna notice more, the up and down, up and down, up and down. This tire has a uneven or worn out. I can feel it, and probably you can see it here if I put the phone to make it to with a note right here. Look, this one right here, not that, but this one right here. If I go down a little bit more, you won't be able to see it, but right here it's uneven. When I go with my hand around like that and try to feel it, I feel it flat bumps. I can clearly feel it. So that's another way of diagnosing a noise, and it is a tire worn out, uneven. And now focus on the tire when it's turning. Right here at the edge, that's where you're gonna notice more, because I'm not moving with the phone and the vehicle stationary, the tire's turning, and you're gonna be able to see it more clearly. So let's try to do it again. Let's see. I'll focus more. I can clearly see some flat spots. So this is a bad tire, and that's due to bad struts. Like I said, I heard the noise on the front and also on the back, more towards this side. That's why I came on this side. Let's check the other tire, the other rear one. See right here, this one. This one feels straight. I don't feel any bumps. You're gonna feel it, especially when the tire goes slow. Just a little bit at the edge. Right there, I can feel it right there at the edge over here. That has a little bit of bumps. So the situation here, it's bad tires due to shocks and struts worn out, and that's the noise that is coming from. But definitely the wheel bearing on the front, this one, it is bad. this one has play on it. So we're gonna suggest the customer to change their tires. We're gonna replace that wheel bearing hub assembly, and we're gonna continue from there if we have any more problems. But that's what we find out so far on our investigation.